Hey, off the field, but
Carson, come here.
Ready?
Oh!
how much?
You okay?
Hey, come here. To the yellow. Get to the yellow, boo. Go get it. To the yellow. Go get it. You want a snack? I know you want it. Come on. If you can stand that long, you need to walk. Okay? Come on. No. You do that on purpose. High five, coach.
Ready? Boom!
So in the spirit of spring cleaning, I am going to clean out my pantry. It's supposed to be my food pantry, but there's literally like some food, garden supplies, cleaning supplies. So stay tuned. Okay, and I'm finished. So on the top, I have my big appliances in a bag of bags because recycling. And then I have like cereals, grains, and boxed stuff. And then down here I have like produce, canned goods, and baking stuff. And then down here I have all of my garden. This box was full of seasonal things. So I have like Valentine's Day stuff, Halloween, Super Bowl, like seasonal kitchen stuff is in there. And then just, you know, my broom, Swiffer, and plunger. Ta-da! Okay, so I have all of the curl formers in. I tied this side down because it was like I couldn't get anything done with them like in my face. But yeah, they're in. The only thing is I need to go grocery shopping. It's my weekend to cook family dinner, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. They're wet, so I can't take it out. But this time I had to go to the store. Real incognito. Get my stuff. It's my day to cook dinner. Anybody got a guess on what I'm making? My daddy came over to re-whack my weeds. Usually the HOA does it, but they haven't been since the fall. I'm so thankful.
I'm gonna put my shrimp in the rice.
Yeah, I like my shrimp on my rice. Shrimp rice. Quesadilla. Shrimp. Refried beans.
Oh my goodness, you are embarrassing.
No one even know it was me. I was in the store like.
If I would have seen you, I would have known it was you. I would have called you out. I would have called you out on purpose.
You couldn't even see my eyebrows. What's wrong, Carson? What's the matter? Nothing. She's scaring you? So you're scaring me. You scared. You scared me. What do you think, TJ? Come here. You like my hair?
Hell no. No.
The quesadilla. Did you like it? Yes, you can. You're so precious. Y'all, this is my last cheat meal. Crystal was at dinner talking about she was going back on a diet. And listen, I cannot be the fat sister, so. Alright, it is Monday. And today I am looking for my passport. This is my craft closet, kind of like junk closet. I feel like it's in here because it's not in my bedroom. So stay tuned. Okay, ta-da! Look at there. So it's all cleaned up. I have everything organized in these little kind of boxes. Like so, all of my sewing, like needles and things. And I have my fabric in another area. Stamps and stickers, post-its are in here as well. Embellishments, so like extra stuff like feathers and stuff, glitters, cards. These are all adhesive things, so like Mod Podge, electronics, pens, markers, pencils. These two things are paint. I have one for photos and jewelry. Like, I don't know why I can't throw away old jewelry, but like old broken jewelry is in there. These are all of my wreaths. I didn't want to put those in the attic because seasons change so fast. This is all of my gift giving supplies, so wrapping paper, and in here I have like bows and ribbon and stuff. This is my luggage. On this top rack I have like all of my fitness stuff, so I have like Insanity, my boxing gloves, all these things. Rarely used, you can tell they're still in boxes, but and then up here, all of this stuff in here is like scrapbook supplies. I have like my light bulbs, big light bulbs for my studio lights, and I think this is fabrics in here. Voila! So I'm definitely an analog person, and I like to keep notes and things. So I have a small little bullet journal that I used to be in and kind of stopped, and I feel like ever since I haven't, like things have been like unorganized. So I have my April set up and my monthly spread. I like to do like things throughout the month, so I have some things that I want to do this month. My finance breakdown, like my bills and things like that. My habit tracker, and I track it like this. So and then my to-do list, ideas for videos, and I'm going to Jamaica, so stuff that I need, like outfits, my passport, saving for the days that I'm taking off, and things like that. All right, Tuesday's breakfast is bacon and a homemade matcha latte. So bacon, of course, has no carbs, and matcha, a half tablespoon of matcha powder is, I think, 6 carbs. No other, nutrients or anything, no fat, no protein, but I really like it. I put it in with a cup of almond milk and a lot of ice, and I just shake it up. The sugar that I use is stevia. And I do put this in. This is not keto because it has dextrose and xanthan gum and sucralose, but I really like it. So, compromise. And those waveformers, it was cute like day 1, day 2. I couldn't rock it day 3. So last night I just plaited my hair. I know I look like don't be a menace. It is like 10:15 and I am up wrapping baby gifts. There's like 6 girls at my office that are all pregnant. We're having a baby shower for 3 of them, and everyone is getting a Kiki for their son. They're all having boys. Everyone's getting a Kiki. Sophie was kind of expensive, so let's wrap these up and go to bed. Gotta be up at 4:30. This is my soul. Right in my hand, like this.
Did you do it?
Oh my god, it's not keto. I couldn't reach you. Well, you can't see. Yeah, right. There you go.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. I'll check you out right now. Okay, thank you. I've been using this stuff forever.
The SPF 15.
Yeah.
What else?
I think that might be it. Alright, so I'm getting the clarifying lotion. I know I said that I wasn't going to use this anymore, but she's convinced me.
And then your 7-day scrub bag will kind of match it.
Oh, great.
Because you get a 7-day scrub in this, and then your regular gift is in this.
Okay.
So all of these are yours.
Yeah, you can throw it all in the bag. I just let the woman at the Clinique counter upsell me. I went in there for one thing, and she done made me buy some toner because she went to my dental office. All right, let me show you guys what I bought. All right, so from Amazon, I got these boots. I needed some white cowboy boots, and I found these for a really good deal. So I'm so excited about these. They're not leather, they're pleather. Then at Macy's, I went to Clinique, and this I love. This is the Clinique Smart Custom Repair Moisturizer. And I said I wasn't going to use this clarifying lotion anymore and just switch to regular witch hazel, which I have been since the new year. But I got swindled into buying this, and I got 2 gifts. They give you, like, with purchase, like, trial size stuff. So I got all these little things and some in here. At MAC, this I love for my brows. This is, let's see what this is. This is the Brow Sculpt Brow Pencil in Stud. Amazing. Went to Urban Outfitters and I got this Outcast t-shirt. This I could not leave the store without, and I thought this was super cool. This is a lollipop, and once you're finished eating it, there's like a seed inside of the stick, and you plant the stick and you'll get a lavender plant. I'm so excited about this. Like, I think this is my most exciting purchase of the night. Then at Lush, I got a new bath bomb. It's their like 20th year celebration since they created the bath bomb. So they have all these new ones that I to try out. So I tried this one. I tried this. This is a shower bomb. It smells really lemony and zesty. And y'all know they always give us the samples if you ask. And the last thing that I bought is this. I got these at H&M. So this is a skirt with the eyelet trim. This is so cute. So cute. Can't wait. Got 2 pairs of earrings. Those brought me joy. And then I got this jumpsuit. And I got it in a size smaller than I usually am. So hopefully it's oversized and it fits like a glove. What do you say? You want to try a crab leg?
Yeah.
Here comes Peter Cottontail.
It's really hard.
You teaching them how to do it, Papa?
Trying to.
What you think, T?
It's pretty good.
Do you like it? What is that all about?
You don't like it?
You do. Alright, I'm back home. It's my wild Friday night. I'm watching the new Sabrina, which I'm so excited about. And working on my Q2 goals. Yeah, gotta get back on track. Like I said, things are gonna get out of control. So, got goals, got a good show. Where's my wine?